Hello friends, welcome to my VI Tech Explorer YouTube channel. So this is a continuous tutorial regarding on how to delete or how to clear your WhatsApp media or storage um, at your Android mobile phone. So at the previous tutorial, I had show you the first method on how you can delete or clear or clean your storage media um, from your WhatsApp, which is using a WhatsApp build storage tool. Now in this tutorial or in this video I will show you the second method which you can clear your WhatsApp medias from your Android mobile through chats settings on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's jump to the tutorial. But before that, those who are new listeners to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell notification button to ensure that you will not miss our latest content in future. So let's jump to the tutorial. Alright guys, now I will open up my WhatsApp. So
BVI accessibility, community window, calls tab.
right, after I open my WhatsApp, I will bring my finger to the up right corner on my screen. This method I have done in previous tutorial, but now what I will do is I will go to any chats here.
Plus 90, Abish, view, text, pam, MI, MI, message text box.
Okay, you can also choose a group or any chats, I mean individual chats, and bring your finger to the upper right corner to click on the more option.
More options button. Pop-up window.
Okay, and then you need to click on
Group media. Search. Mute notification. Disappearing. Search. Group media.
group media. If you go to the
Mute. Wallpaper. More. Group info. Group media. MIB tech.
if you click here,
MI media. Media selected.
okay, it will have three tabs: media, docs, and links. Means that media means if this group contain or if this group members has sent you any photos, so it will display under the media tab. However, under the document docs tab, it will appear if there have any documents which has been sent by any of the members, or if you have sent any documents, also will be displayed under the docs tab. And the same also will goes to links tab. So now,
Docs tab. Links tab. No photos found.
okay, if it doesn't have anything else, it will show like this. Let's click on links tab.
Links.
Okay,
Link. Recent. https://apps.apple.com. https://apps. https://www. All-in-one messenger with chat. IM Plus is an all-in-one app. http all-in-one message. Apple Vispar. https.
okay, these are the links which has been sent in this group.
Website reopen September 9 2024 question mark equals 0 bgnhzw0
So what I will do is,
links tab selected.
okay, we'll select we need to select it one by one by long press. You only need to long press the first item. Otherwise, the following items you only need to double tap it and it will select it. Okay, let's do it.
Link selected. Reason. https://apps.apple.com. One item selected.
Okay, I have long press on it. It show one item has been selected. Next, I will select the following items by just double tap on it. No need to long press it. Okay, let's go.
HTTP MIB tag all-in-one messenger with chat HTTPS all one item selected all-in-one messenger with chat app HTTP Apple 2 items selected how to create pass me on WhatsApp with screen 3 items pound HTTP pound WhatsApp tutorial back button.
Okay, we already selected, and then after that,
3 star button.
okay, 3 means 3 item has been selected. Then it will show a star if you want to star it.
Delete button.
If you want to delete it, you can hit on delete and it will ask a confirmation.
Delete 3 messages. Delete 3 messages. Delete for everyone button.
Okay, since this is a group, and I am the one of the admin of this group, so that's why it's show these kind of options here. So yeah, this is how you want to delete a group stories from your groups. So next I will show the individual chat.
MIB WhatsApp emoji
Okay,
button.
I will choose one of my friends chat.
Back button. Message text box.
Okay, follow River do the same steps, which means bring your finger to the upper right corner, click on the more option.
More options. Pop-up window.
And here you will see a difference, a little bit, not a huge difference. The option will read a little bit different like the previous one, because the previous one is a group, this is the individual chat. That's all.
View contact. Media links and docs.
Okay, media links and docs. When I'm show this option in the group, it has been shown that as group medias. Okay, why here it show medias, links and docs? Because this is an individual chat of a person. Okay, let's click,
English Malaysia.
and after that the procedure are same. You need to follow the same steps. You need to click on any tabs here. We'll have 3 tabs, which is medias, docs and links. And if there have a media, it will show up. If no, it will show no media, no photos found. Same as well goes to docs and links. So if you have the items under these any of these tabs, it will show the items, and you need to long press on the first item, and the following items you need to just double tap on it and it will be selected automatically. And you can click on delete. If you want to delete, you can click on star if you want to star, and it will done with any option that you has been clicked. Okay, if you want to delete it, you can simply click on delete and it will ask a confirmation message, and you can straightly click on delete, and all the medias from the individual chats which you have selected will be deleted permanently. So this is the method, the second method that you can use on WhatsApp to clean up your media and storage. Hope this tutorial helps you. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, give your comments and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you would like to join our Telegram channel, simply you can type join at the comment box and send it, then I will provide you the link. So see you in the next tutorial. Stay tuned and stay safe. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.